We're at Mama Tega store and Mama Tega cosmetics and spa. And we're going to go inside so I can show you what they have inside. So follow me. Thank you. What the store looks like. It's quite massive. It's very big. So this is what the makeup section looks like. Inside the product that they have at the makeup section. They have all the bags. I'm impressed with the organization of the place. Then they have products. So these are the products we have. How much you were saying? So they have a lot of makeup brand here. Lots of makeup brand. These are brushes. And this is Zara. We have a lot of Zara products here as well. Then they have Maybelline as well. So they have a lot of makeup products here, lots. So you are going to be spoiled for choice. There's even MAC here. There's man. There's glam, there's classic. There's classic. Everywhere is filled with makeup. So that's Gina, my tour guide. So okay, so we have here health cosmetics. There's VG Cosmetics. 1,000. There's Jordana, Ellie Girl, Glam Girls. We have Glam Girls. We have Kubi here, Black Opal. We have, okay, so she walks in like this so that she's showing me. Yeah, I do crochet. That's like, so that's the powders, foundation, lipsticks. So that's the Lache stand. Then this is L'Oreal. Milani, Maybelline. So that's all we have here. Another brand. Okay, so I think that's all for the makeup.
For the makeup, and they carry a line of perfume.
Then these are the perfume section. Village Cottage here. There's Village Cottage soap. Okay, so unfortunately there's no price on it, so I can't tell how much it is. I don't know. Plates. Because so these are some of the products that they have here. You see, that's what I was saying. That's the difference between then this Moroccan black soap. Then so for the natural hair people, we have Cantu natural hair products. Then there's Cantu Grow Strong hair products. There's a lot of things that are eating here. Cantu natural hair. Then there is Texture My Way. There is Maxi Peel. Oh, this is shaving cream. Remember how my dad used to use this shaving cream, shaving powder. But there, bros. Hi, but there are no prices on the tag. You ask, you take it to the stand. Okay, those stand. Okay. So you take it to the stand and then they put the price on it. Tell you the price. So. Sorry. So they have a lot of things here. So I think this is where we have cream. Liver pears.
That's my best score.
It's like this one must be here, Sha. So they have a lot of Japanese. They have a lot of products to like use. So for those of you that want to bleach from like the lashes they have, Magic Girl, beauty. So this is lash, like the lash tray. Then they have, I remember, who remembers this methylated powder? I remember that powder. This one too. They have, a lot. Body cream, hair. So they have got to be glued, spiking glue. Right. We have this as well. Then, from all you makeup magnesia fan, they have it here. Although, then they have a lot of hair products. Hair product. That's dark and lovely. We have a lot of Gina, baby. workstation for different brands, so you can actually come in and test the products you want to buy. And then I think you can also get your makeup done here. So this is Zaron, all laid out and tidy. Okay, so that's you.She Cosmetics. So that's, and then there's Notes. Okay, don't you share me? They also have makeup tools like the ring lights with mirror and different kinds of makeup boxes. Really? No, that's a mirror. The idea of having an upgraded version of the store where you can walk in comfortably and buy things. I still think they need to do a bit of organization, because looking for products is a bit scattered. I mean, where the hair care products are, where the makeup, the only thing sorted is just the makeup side, which has all the makeup items there. But for the hair care, body cream, they are all over the place, so you have to go to raffle ones and get, and then, you know, aside from that, I'll still, you know, look around, get my haul, and then let you know what I think. Thank you. So I'm paying for my persistence. Coffee shop. I'm paying exactly. Not free. What I got from Mama Tega's place, my little girl. So this is what a bag looks like. So this is Mama Tega. So she has 3 shops. You can see the addresses there. Then you can see the phone number there, just in case you want to go check it out or you want to patronize. Then this is what the services that they do. So I think there's a typo with this face sculpting. Then there's makeup, facial. It's supposed to be facial, you know, but you know. So these are the services that they do. But so in case you need to find out what they do. So what did I get? I got this soap. Bleach cut it from her, and I've been wanting to get this soap, the black soap, you know, so I eventually got it from her store. And I can't remember how much I got, but it wasn't so expensive. I think it was the regular price. I got this as well from her. I bought this because it had anti-tartar, and this is what made me buy it. Anti-tartar and teeth plus whitening. So I wanted something that would whiten my teeth. I couldn't find, so I just saw this Colgate and I saw this. I said, okay, let me try this and see if my teeth can be any whiter than it is. So I got this from her. Cotton pads. I can't remember how much I got the cotton pad for. Just a regular cotton pad for cleaning my face. Then this one. So this brought back memories for me, because I remember when I was way younger, I used to have a lot of prickly heat, and this for me was nightmare during bedtime. My mom would call me, you know, after I've had my bath, and she would pour this all over my body, and you know, I would feel the burning sensation. Then after some time, the cooling effect. So it brought back memories for me, and it's still the same way it was way back. So it was something I wanted to get. Finally, I saw this.
and I felt, wow, what audacity. Bleaching soap. So I bought it and I said, okay, I have one person in mind that I wanted to give this to. Not me, I'm not using it to, I like my black, but I had one person in mind I wanted to give this soap to, who has been trying to lighten. She's tried everything and she's still not getting light. So I'll keep her name for me. So I'm going to give it to her and let her try it out. So whatever happens to her, if she's lighter or whatever happens, I'll let you guys know. So that is what I got from. So everything I bought was like 3k thereabouts, you know. So I think it was fair enough. The pricing is very, very reasonable. So my advice for okay, well, what I think is, if you're a makeup artist or you know, whatever, if you're a beauty retailer, you can just go into the store to help you have an idea. I mean, it kind of like expands your mind on the possibility. You know, I noticed some things that were not, you know, but the pros outweighs the cons. So for instance, if you're going to go into the store, make sure you have a list, because that kind of like acts as a guide. When I got in, I was overwhelmed. I'm like, oh wow, yeah, I was just running up, like, this is big. It's like a departmental store, you know, your regular, and then it's so beautiful. The lighting, everything was just, you know, perfect. So I just got carried away. I just started looking everywhere for what to get. But if you go with a list, there are girls on the shop floor that can actually help you with your list. You just tell them, oh, this is what I want to buy, and then it's a bit more coordinated, so because they know where everything is arranged. But if it's your first time, you probably won't. Everything just mixed up together. Hair, body cream, everything just mixed up. So I think that's one of the things you need to work on, you know. So the makeup section is obviously on its own, but for hair, body cream, and all those things, they're just, you know, mixed together. I wasn't able to find my way around there. And then they also have a spa, which I also visited. You know, they do pedicure and facials there, but I didn't do that there. So I also wanted to know. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification just in case I put up a video. I don't have a posting schedule yet, but I post videos. I'm trying to make it more regular now. So just turn on your notification just in case I put a video. You can be the first to watch, and then comments, please. I read your comments. I'd love to hear from you, and whatever you think that I can do better or you want to see, I'm here for you. Thank you so much, guys.